What? Sure what the pollen's making so red, but these bees have got a bright red pollen on their legs. You want to go in the garden? I guess so. Where's your sister? I make these videos a lot of them asking to go in, but they really do. There you go. Duck, 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 duck. There's one more. She'll show up out here. Duck, 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 duck. There she comes. While we're waiting, let's have a look. This is our change. This is a solution we have found. This is a 6-year-old permaculture designed food forest. We're standing in annual beds right now. Traditional garden. Let's let her in. She's getting a drink. Come on, honey. Duck, 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 duck. Where we work with nature, not against it. Plants, animals, and fungi. Go on. They're in there. Chickens. Hi, Sarah. Ducks. Like I said, plants, animals, and fungi. Perennials. That's a fig tree. Lots of baby figs on it. With annuals. Oh, look at that. It's a South American variety of squash. I've forgotten the variety. Came from So True Seeds. And it's finally flowering. I didn't think it was going to this year. Bit of a race against the frost. Tomorrow's the 1st of October. And look at all these figs. Yum. Alright, where was I? I was going to keep this short. Permaculture changes. Changes in our daily habits, changes in the way we see ourselves in this world. Changes in where we look to for solutions. God and government are only going to work for us if we demand things. Only for us to demand things to know the changes we need. I believe the way we see ourselves in this world, part of nature, not above nature. It's one of those changes we need to get back to. More of our tribal ways. But I'm ranting. I'm stuffing my face with figs, so I'll stop. We'll do a quick scan. It's my flowering turmeric. Our flowering turmeric. It's bursting from the bottom. I feel like I make these videos. Hey, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look. People should want to look at this, I believe. It just happens out here every day, all around us. These bees don't work for me, these chickens don't work for me, these ducks don't work for me, it all works in unison. These are swales across the property, there's 20 of those, flow into one another, catching, storing that water, sucking it up in these raised beds behind them. These are hugel mounds, buried organic material, a couple of trees that we cut down. Still finishing out. We see some yellow tomatoes and some young peppers, young jujube trees that are in here, bushes that'll take over this area. It was a succession for the year. Started with lettuces, onto peppers, beets for the fall. Getting as many harvests out of one area as we can. Try to do that in as many areas as we can. There's another fig there. Using the understory, that's a Cornelian cherry and Nanking cherries. They work as bush cherries under our apples. Hazelnuts working underneath as well. under the pears. There'll be less of these annuals up here as the perennials get larger. Alright, I think I'm just babbling now. See ya.